children, this is Teacher Alpha and welcome to our lesson in Math 5, Quarter 1, Week 2, Math Base. This lesson is all about divisibility rules for 4, 8, 11, and 12 to find the common factors of numbers. From the previous lesson, you have learned about the divisibility rules for 3, 6, and 9 in finding the factors of large numbers. Today, you will learn the rules to determine if the numbers is divisible by 4, 8, 11, and 12. Divisibility rule for 4. A number is divisible by 4 when the last two digits of a number is divisible by 4 and if a number ends with two zeros. Example, the number is 812. The last two digits of 812 is 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Therefore, it is divisible by 4. So, 812 is divisible by 4. Another example is 484. The last two digits of 484 is 84. 84 is divisible by 4. Therefore, 484 is divisible by 4. Another example is 6,800. 6,800 ends in two zeros. Therefore, 6,800 is divisible by 4. Divisibility rule for 8. A number is divisible by 8 when the last three digits of a number is divisible by 8 and when a number ends in three zeros. Examples: 12,184. The last three digits of 12,184 is 184. And this last three digits is divisible by 8 because 184 divided by 8 is 23. Therefore, 12,184 is divisible by 8. Another example is 85,000. 85,000 ends in three zeros. Therefore, 85,000 is divisible by 8. Divisibility rule for 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of the digits in the odd places and the sum of those in the even places is 0 or divisible by 11. Examples: 35,794. Digits in the odd places are 4, 7, 3, whose sum is 14. And digits in the even places are 5 and 9, whose sum is 14. The sum of digits in the odds and even is both 14. So, 14 minus 14 is 0. Therefore, 35,794 is divisible by 11. Divisibility rule for 12. A number is divisible by 12 when it is divisible by both 3 and 4. So, a number is divisible by 12 if the sum of all the digits is divisible by 3 and the last two digits of a number is divisible by 4 or ends in two zeros. Examples: 384. If we are going to add all the digits of 384, 3 plus 8 plus 4, the answer is 15. 15 is divisible by 3 because 15 divided by 3 is 5. And the last two digits of this number, which is 84, is divisible by 4 because 84 divided by 4 is 21. Therefore, 384 is divisible by 12. Now let's try to answer the following. Put a check on a column where the number is divisible. Now let's check your answer. Very good. At this point, let's have another activity. What you are going to do is to write the number on a column where it is divisible. Now let's check your answer. Thank you for listening. This is Teacher Alpha. Till next time. Subscribe for more videos.